Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. We're going to be building a succulent stand today. Let's go ahead and get started. So for today's project, I'm going to be using this 1x3 piece of poplar. I really like how the colors stand out in poplar. They're just, they really pop, especially when you put a clear finish on them. This is 3/4 of an inch thick though, and that is going to be a bit wide for the sides of our planter box. Now we're going to be ripping it on the bandsaw, and to get the center mark that we need to rip it by, I'm going to be using a marking gauge. And the way that you can use this without having to measure anything is you strike on this side a little piece. See that little bevel right here? And then you come onto the other side. And if your pin mark makes it into the same groove, you're centered up. So for my box, I want it to be a rectangular shape. I want it to be longer than it is wide. And for that, I want about an 8-inch wide box or long box, and it's going to be about 3 inches wide. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out a section that is 12 inches. That way I have some room to play while making my miters. Put the square up to it. That book matching on these two planks. Too bad I'm not doing a glue up that I have to glue them together. Now before going any further with this, I need to route a groove for the bottom piece, and I don't want to do that in 4 different little pieces, so I'm going to go ahead and take it to the router right now and put the groove in here. So now it's time to go ahead and cut all the miters. Alright, so now that all those are cut, we can go ahead and line all of these back up and see where we are at with the design of these. That one goes right here. And this one goes just like that. So I'm really happy that all of the groove is all on one side and all of my miters are cut on the correct side. Sometimes after you cut a groove, you could possibly cut a miter the wrong way, and then your project's just totally screwed. So we have our box right here. What I'm going to do is just put it up to this end and this end and get my length. And it seems like it's going to be a bit too narrow. I thought it was 2 1/8. Turns out to be 2 5/8. Now it's time to go ahead and give this to my wife so that she can actually make it look good. And here it is. This is the final stuff. My wife did a beautiful job with all the succulents, putting them in here, and then the white rocks look really fantastic in here. I really like this red fire stick right here in the middle. I think it really accents the whole entire piece. Like the poplar with the different grain colors. Fantastic job. I really am happy with this project. Thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy this project. It's very simple, but it gives a nice touch and look into your house. You know, you bring in little plants here and there, and it really spruces up the place. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell to get notifications for every time I post a video. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.